As a fleet manager, controlling cost is a difficult task. Drivers' behaviors, unforeseen maintenance needs, and inefficient routing can all hurt your bottom line. Guaranteeing the safety and security of your fleet operator is of paramount importance, but that security can be difficult to ensure when you don't have the visibility of their whereabouts and circumstances. Fraudulent insurance claim or damaged property can quickly put a hole in your budget or raise already costly coverage rates. Risky drivers' behavior compounds all of these issues and put your company at risk of being liable for costly accidents and injuries. PRISMA is introducing a state-of-the-art 4G telematic dashcam solution powered by artificial intelligence, driver's behavior analysis and alert system, all-integrated solution which is easy to install, configure, and user-friendly. With the SOS button, can be discreetly installed in the cabin, a driver can quickly alert the dispatch of a security issue at a touch of a button. Make your driver feel safe, protect your assets, and reduce your organization's liability by adding the security of a one-touch SOS alert. As soon as a programmed event is captured, that video is sent to your cloud server, where it can be recalled and reviewed anytime during the next 6 months. These kind of videos continues to coach the drivers defending against frivolous insurance claims, or whatever you need it for. From rapid acceleration in hard braking or turning, or distracted of smoking drivers, PRISMA's PB400 Series Ai dashcam will give you the crucial visibility into your fleet behavior. PRISMA Ai dashcam features a powerful artificial intelligence-based driver's behavior analysis and monitoring system that can notify you when your drivers are operating in an inefficient or dangerous way. Because of these powerful artificial intelligent algorithms, you can immediately receive alerts about harsh or distracted driving that could pose a threat to your drivers or assets.
PRISMA have the total solution for your fleet monitoring, tracking, and evaluating drivers' behavior. We provide complete support for you to set up a professional fleet management solutions for your assets, or setting up a complete dispatch management solutions.
No phone calling. No distraction. No face detected. No distraction. No fatigue driving. No smoking.
Please contact BD at prismabytes.com for any further details or a free design assistance. We are also looking for dealers worldwide to partner with.